Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, placing your hands on your hips, and then begin to rotate your pelvis in a circle. So doing about 5 circles one way, and then 5 circles the other, just starting off small. Then you can make them a little bit bigger if you like, but we're not trying to set any records, just trying to loosen the joints. Then reverse direction if you haven't already. This one's good to do every day. It really helps to loosen up the whole lower body. All right, one more time, the hip circles. All right, next we'll do the shoulder circles or shoulder rolls. So rolling the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. So it's really good for the upper body. All right, one more time, the shoulder rolls. And then from here, beginning to turn from your waist and your hips, letting your loose fists knock against your lower back and your lower abdomen, warming up the spine. This one's called knocking on the door of life. The door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back. When we knock on the point, it stimulates the energy throughout the body. This also helps to lubricate the joints of the spine while teaching us how to soften the shoulders and neck, moving from your center. Imagine your arms are empty coat sleeves. Your torso guides the movement. All right, then begin to slow it down, coming back to center, and then just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then on the next inhale, the arms float up. Circle in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. The start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up, gently rotating towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. Then the hands keep going all the way up overhead. Then the hands spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. Fingertips point down, coming down the center. The hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, the downward spirals. And then from here, the hands come together in front of the heart into prayer position. And then step one foot out a little bit wider, and then soften down right towards the earth. Then as you rise up to the side, the fingertips point up, looking to the side, coming back down to center, shifting the other way. The dragon looks side to side. So gently stretching the neck, looking side to side. One more time. And then from here, the hands turn onto their sides. They drift across the eye level, then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then round out, hugging the tree. Bring it right to the center. From here, the hands dip down towards the earth. The hands come forward, coming all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. Digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down, as we harvest from the garden. Circling the hands around. One more time. And then round out in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth, circling the hands around as if your hands are resting on the moon, just gently feeling the sensations. And then reverse direction. It's really going for the ride. The moon orbits the earth. One more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center. From here, the arms open, then this hand scoops under, the other one on top. Pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. Tuning into the sensations, you might even start to notice a little tingling and warmth. That's the energy and blood flow circulating, reverse direction. And then one more time, the moon orbits the earth. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders, the neck, the face, and the eyes. Soften the jaw, using only what you need. And then this time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out, and you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as it floats across. All right, one more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. This time you can step in if you like, the hand comes up, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drift across, letting go of any tension, any stress. And we'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation, tuning into the sensations in the body as we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands drop down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms drift over to the side, making two loose fists, circling all the way up and over and around, turning the wheel. And you can stay nice and tall, or if you like, for some more challenge, you can soften down as the fists come down. One more time on this side, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction, with the arms coming all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably, coming back down. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, turning the wheel. And then release, round out, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow and circulation. One more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle the arms all the way around, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand circles on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out, just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Just feeling the sensations. One more time, brush knee and push. This time bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Almost like you're moving through the water. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart and the mind, just letting go. One more time, centering. And then both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with our poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called A Place to Play. Standing still, I feel the breeze. I begin to move and soften the knees. The grace pours in as I let go of what I want and all that I know. Hardness tries to take its hold. It turns the mind and body cold. I feel my feet connected below. I lift my head and feel the flow. Softness now begins to warm as mindful movement takes its form. A dance between the night and day. A coming home, a place to play. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.